Hello, I'm at the Seneca Creek trailhead. Today is Tuesday, the 2nd of June, 2020. I've just arrived from a 5-hour drive from coastal Virginia. I am just below the Spruce Knob Summit, which is the highest point in West Virginia. We're at about 4,000 feet right now. Seneca Creek is a destination with beautiful waterfalls. It's pretty level, and I'm carrying a really heavy pack. It's only a 3-day trip, but I'm carrying a heavy pack to kind of prepare for Wyoming Bridger Wilderness in 4 weeks. Forgot to mention that it's 80 degrees, which is really unusually high for this time of year. It's supposed to get down to the about 60 degrees, maybe 58 tonight, so it should be relatively comfortable. Well, it looks like the beavers have been at work. Great, now I decided we're going to go wet feet. We got about 4 or 5 of these little stream crossings, but we used to be able to jump this. Well, here's the first major crossing. I gotta tell you, it doesn't look too bad now. You come through here in the winter time and you absolutely have to take off your shoes. By the way, I'm using my GoPro 7 Black to shoot these first videos. I just met a couple. The gal was Texas A&M graduate class of 2017, and her, I don't know if it was a boyfriend or her husband, but he was SMU grad. That's where my parents went. Okay, let's see. Oh, what's over? Might be able to get across without getting my feet wet this time. Little waterfall over here. Well, this crossing was a no-brainer. This is the same crossing that Jimmy fell in last winter, or winter of 2019, I guess. I don't know, can you see the little waterfall behind me? Yeah, the rocks are still pretty slippery, and I'm glad I had my poles because I'm old and my pack weighs almost 40 pounds. So, okay, let's drive on, keep going. Okay, I'm at the intersection of the Allegheny Mountain Trail and the Seneca Creek Trail, and I'll keep on going off to my right for Judy Springs. And once I get down to Judy Springs, I'll start looking for a campsite. Okay, here's our next water obstacle, and these rocks are slippery. All right, here we go. Wish me luck. Well, made it across okay. So shoes are still dry. Yippee. Last couple times through here, it was either walk across in your shoes or stop for about 5 crossings and change shoes into water shoes. All right, let's hope we're almost there. We've been going about an hour and a half. but it's a beautiful day. The weather's really nice. All right. Okay, we've reached the intersection with the trail coming down from the top of Spruce Knob. So there's a camper up there on the left in the yellow Nemo tent. It's a popular camping area, this meadow here. This is the intersection with Judy Springs Trail. This trail goes across the bridge and to the left. Well, finally found a campsite. The ones right on the creek were already taken. Go figure. And the prime one next to this giant waterfall, it was taken, of course, but they're going to have to suck it up when I go set up my tripod tomorrow in the middle of their camp. They can't hog the waterfall all to themselves. Okay, time to, it's going on 6 o'clock, almost exactly. So it's time to set up and get some dinner. So we're at camp, or I'm at camp. Finished my dehydrated chili. Brought some onion, chopped onion, and some cheese with it, grated cheese. And now let's have some chamomile. I mean, not some green tea with peach. I tell you what, this camera eats batteries. I'm not kidding. Well, I'm playing with my new Gikoto tripod. I don't know if you see the little bee thing on the lens there. So, finishing up breakfast, having a cup of coffee. Then I'll be on my way down the trail to look for waterfalls. Well, on the trail here, this trail used to be a railroad. Okay, how's that? Is that a little better? I'm trying to use my tripod as a selfie stick, and you know, it weighs 3 fucking pounds. So anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, this trail used to be a railroad. It's flat, is a gentle grade. You can tell it's been cut out, and you think it's a road, and or so I thought until we found a railroad tie in the creek. So yeah, it must have been a logging railroad. It's the only thing I can think. Alright, I've gone by and filmed a few of the waterfalls that I had neglected to film. I had taken stills to get that soft water effect. So back to the campsite for some lunch, and then it is off to the giant waterfall. Well, I left my poles and everything else, just carrying my tripod and camera, and I thought we just had one crossing, but I stand corrected. We got this little bad boy here, so let's go. Remember, they used to have a railroad crossing here. It's like it's a little thinner up there, a little shallower. Oh, be careful, go slow. Yeah, there's a big hole right there. Thing keeps cutting out. I'm not sure why. The GoPro, that is. All right. Not a big deal. Just a pain in the rear. Gotta take off my shoes again. Well, great. I don't remember this one either. Jesus. So we haven't even got to the big one. We must have used to rock hop this one. Oh, damn, it looks like another shoe's off here. Well, here goes. I wish I knew how far it was to the next one, so I could figure out if I got to keep on my Crocs or not. Now all I need is my pack to come open and the tripod fall out and the camera fall out. Feel the tripod leaning. You know, I just might leave these on here for a second. If I go too far, I'll put my shoes back on. It's a nice little fall. Yeah, I forgot about this little rock scramble right here. It's like the sun's getting behind a cloud or something too here. Well, finally made it to the last crossing, and the waterfall is right there where the stream disappears. We're gonna go down there and see if we can climb down it. Nice little campsite right here, and over here is our ford. We already got the pant legs up, sort of. They've kind of come down. So, it may not be high enough. Give me a little yank. Hold up my pants a little bit. And of course, I gotta figure out this 20-second thing. Alright. And the pant legs fall down because I'm balancing. Of course, of course. A little deep part right there. Let's turn right. Head over here. Alright. Alright. Alright, let's head on over to the falls. Alright, we're going to have breakfast and then we are moving out and hiking out. It was a great day yesterday, probably 80 degrees. It rained a little bit last night, for about an hour. And yeah, it was pretty nice, but I couldn't get out and get any night sky shots. But it looks like I see some clearing sky. And all right, so we'll see you on the trail. Well, good morning. It's Thursday, 4 June. It's about 8:45. We're all packed up. I'm all packed up, and we're gonna do the 3.5, 4 miles back to the truck. It rained for about an hour, 2 hours last night, but my tent didn't leak, so that was a plus. And it got nice and cool. It got down into the mid-50s, which was just perfect for sleeping. And it looks like the sun is breaking out here, so it's going to be a nice, enjoyable walk back to the truck. So if I see any nice photo ops on the way back, we'll get some pictures of those. All right, talk to you later. All right, we're on our way out. Well, we're back at the trailhead. We've completed the 500-foot ascent. We're back up to an elevation of 4,000 feet. And I hope you've enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed filming those waterfalls. Well, it was a waterfall hike, but I want to thank you for making it to the end of the video. So if you've enjoyed this video, please check out some of my other videos and please subscribe and have a fantastic day.